another YouTube channel if you're really interested in this subject. I think you might want to check out. And it's Henson Creek Christian Outlaw. Yes, Henson Creek Christian Outlaw. Apparently, he is a neighbor, lives fairly close to Titus. He goes to his worship services. He knew Aaron. He knows Titus. He knows Stephanie, Stephanie's husband. He has firsthand knowledge. And at this time, he's saying he has not seen anything inappropriate between the two. Uh, Whenever he's around, it's totally appropriate. And he said Titus has gone to all of his friends and neighbors and confessed his sins and asked for their forgiveness. And I think he is very sincere that that was in his past.